Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I am absolutely a crazy plant lady who is always looking for ways to make my plants thrive with less effort. Let me introduce you to my latest secret, which is a set of hanging pots from Fielda. These pots are unique because they have a self-watering feature. They come with two different hanging methods, a macrame or a metal chain, so you have some options there, just depending on your style. You can hang them inside or outside, and they have a large capacity. The secret to them is this water reservoir that snaps below the pot, and you feed this little rope into the reservoir and up to where you put the soil. So that means that maybe you're on vacation or you're forgetful and you don't always remember to water your plants. When you fill this reservoir, it's going to slowly self-water the plant. It has an easy to read little meter there, so you can see how much water is in the reservoir, and also an equally easy place to put the water. Now, you don't have to use the reservoir. You can simply take that bottom piece off. You can place this on your table or on a plant stand. You can use the hanging chain or the hanging macrame. Lots of options with these pots. But I love that self-watering feature because my plants are going to keep thriving even if I'm neglectful or I just happen to forget about them or I'm away. So check this out. If you love plants as much as I do, I know that these are going to work great for you, whether you put them inside your home or outside. And that is my point of view.